Sweet Endings comes to you courtesy Regal Products. We're back, and it's all about pampering Paola.
I love it.
You love
I love it.
I must say, Paola, I mean, as I said, over the years, I think we were saying off camera a little while ago, I have quinoa here. I'm doing dessert brought to you by Regal. The Regal Products is a wide range, and they also have a quinoa. And Paola Henderson was remarking 5 years ago when she brought quinoa into my life. I was like, Paola, what is that? No, I'm
Yes, you were like, how do you spell that? I'm like, what is it? I'm impressed.
So quinoa has now become part of my diet, Paola.
Very good.
Yeah, and I'm using it to do an interesting little twist on a dessert for you today.
Well, I like.
Before we get into our Regal dessert, I mean, challenging times, Paola. These times are really challenging. I think none of us would have anticipated how serious this pandemic got over the last year or so. You run Henderson's Kitchen.
Yes.
Cute little spot in Cascade. I mean, tell me what the concept was before you tell me about the impact that the pandemic would have had.
Yes. Well, my husband, as I said, he's a chef.
He's a master Italian chef.
Yeah. So he's been in the industry for about 20 years, over 20 years. And we thought, well, why don't we put a little restaurant where we do like a farm to table concept where we use a lot of local foods and create different dishes. This is why you'll never find that we have a menu say. But of course we have a little balance in there, because Dwayne loves to cook his Italian masterpieces, so you'd find lots of pastas and a lot of meaty foods and
all the good stuff.
Yes, all the good stuff. and then I come in with my healthy version. So we have a balance, where you would find both.
Yeah.
So
and as I said, the restaurant offers, as I said, all the healthy stuff that the grab and go to go meals kind of thing.
Yes.
But that the little space that Dwayne has upstairs is really,
I know, we miss it so much.
My goodness.
So much.
The pandemic has affected you guys tremendously.
Of course, like any other restaurant, we've been really affected. But life goes on,
Keeping fingers crossed that we will get over this.
Yes. Yeah.
Henderson's Kitchen, guys. Just remember it. Henderson's Kitchen, when this pandemic is over, it's one of the cutest little places you can go and have Chef Dwayne literally up close and personal dish up some fantastic meals right in front of your face. That is just amazing. He's really amazing just to see in action. And Paola just happens to be his wife and our health coach here on